Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Cox PIN number on the Cox website. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your Cox PIN number. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Cox. Then click on right over here, then click on My Account. Now on this page here, you want to click on Edit Profile Settings, then click on Security and Privacy, and then where it says Account PIN, click on Account PIN, and then this is where you're going to enter your new PIN number, and then click on Save Changes. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your PIN number on Cox. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.